How to share your Snapchat location with only one person. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can share your Snap Map location only with one particular person. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to share your Snapchat location with only one person, you can just try opening the Snapchat application that you can find here. And once you launch a Snapchat app, you're going to see this type of interface where what you need to do is you need to make sure to tap the Snap Map icon here first of all. Tap the gear icon, and once you tap the gear icon that you can find over here, enable the location on your device, and then just go ahead and then enable ghost mode. What ghost mode does is that no one else on Snapchat will be able to view our location. Now that we have enabled ghost mode, we want to go ahead and simply share our location only with one person. So what we need to do is you need to simply go to that particular person's profile to whom you want to share your live location, and after that you can simply scroll down. Here you can see Snap Map, and here you can see share my live location. So now when you tap the share my live location option, you can simply share them to always 8 hours, 1 hour, whatever else. Even though you have enabled ghost mode, your live location will be shared only with this particular person. This way you'll be able to share your live location only with one person. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.